Are you struggling to create eye-catching YouTube channel art? Don't worry, today I'll show you a simple way to make professional looking channel art using Canva, even if you're a beginner. First, open Canva and in the search bar, type YouTube channel art. You'll see a bunch of ready-made templates designed specifically for YouTube's dimensions. Pick one that matches your style or vibe. You can always customize it later. Once you've selected a template, it's time to make it yours. Add your channel name, tagline, or any text that represents your brand. You can also change fonts, colors, and even upload your own images or logos. The key here is creativity, but also keeping everything within YouTube's safe zone. This ensures your text and important visuals don't get cut off on different devices like phones, tablets, or TVs. Next, play around with elements like shapes, icons, or background patterns until your channel art really pops. Canva makes this easy with like drag and drop features, so you can see your design evolve in real time. Finally, once you're happy with your masterpiece, click Download. Choose the what-to-write file format and upload it directly to your YouTube channel. And just like that, your channel instantly looks more professional and inviting for viewers. Creating YouTube channel art doesn't have to be complicated. With Canva, you can design something that truly represents your channel in just a few minutes. Give it a try and watch your channel stand out from the rest.